Hello and welcome to CES Grammar Spot. My name is Diana and today we're going to be looking at the homophones there, and there. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings. So let's take a closer look. First, there tells us where someone or something is. So for example, she is there now. Here we're talking about the fact that she is in a specific place right now. Next, there is used to express possession, that something belongs to someone. So, for example, they left their cell phones at home. They left, in plural form, their cell phones, so all of their cell phones are at home. They didn't bring them with them. Next, we have there. This is a contraction of they are. So here, they're learning the present continuous. This sentence is in the present continuous, and it is the same as saying they are learning the present continuous. Don't worry about pronunciation. All these words sound the exact same. There, and there. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and I look forward to seeing you in Toronto soon.